Hello friends, in today's video I will share easiest and quick way to extend your C drive space without using any software. Let's get started. I'm going to use my drive or D space. So for that you have to create a new drive in which you transfer data of drive D. For that, search for Disk Management and then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. To create a new partition, right-click on the drive from which disk space you are going to create a new partition, and then click on Shrink Volume. I'm going to create a new partition of 25 GB space so that I can transfer of drive D data into this new drive. For that, open Calculator so that we convert disk space into MBs. Multiple 1024 with 25 so that we get 25 GB into MBs format. Now, put this result into the column of amount of space to shrink in MBs. This will create a new partition of 25 GB. You can select any letter for this newly created partition. That's it. Now our newly created partition is ready to transfer data of drive D. Copy all the data from drive D and then paste into drive F. Now, we are good to format drive D so that you can use this drive to expand drive C space. If Format and Delete Volume option is gray out, then you must turn off the file paging on drive D. To turn off file paging on drive D, search for View Advanced System Settings and then click on it to open. Here, select Drive and then select the No Paging option. And the last, click on Apply OK to save the changes, or you have to restart your laptop or PC once. Once done, right-click on Drive D and then click on Delete Volume. Now we are good to expand drive C space, because now we can use this free disk space to expand drive C. As you see now, my drive C space is increased. So through this easy way, you can expand drive C space without using any software in Windows. If you find my video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.